Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm so glad that you're here today. Please like, comment, and be subscribed. And don't forget to ring the bell, ding, 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 so that way you know when I'm going live, because I'm starting to go live randomly. Tuesdays at 7, and then randomly through the week. I'm no longer doing my Saturday at noon. I'm taking a break from that for a while to spend quality time with the hubs. And this package is my first ever Chic beauty box, and it is a bi-monthly box, and it is $34.99, and I got to choose just about everything in here, and that is fantastic. So I'm very excited to check this out. It is an adorable little box. It'll be great for gift giving later this year. And it looks like this. And it's got a little card, and it's got tons of stuff in it, and I can't wait to see what it is. And there's prices for everything. So let me grab my little calculator. My calculator. I can't say that at all. But it's very exciting. I'm going to start off with this. It's from Tarte. It is the Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. And this is a $22 value. Come on. It's a solar calculator. There's lights on in here. Well, let's see if it gets charged up. All right, $22 for the Chrome Paint Pot. I've never had a Chrome Paint Pot. Ooh, it's got a little lid that you put on it. And it looks like this. Oh, there's two variations. So, it's got the total and everything. And that is gorgeous. It's a little chunky, but it's beautiful. That would make a great highlighter, and I will put the little lid thing on it to keep it from spreading around. That's just gorgeous. I'll have to figure out how to use that. I mean, obviously I'll wipe it on something, but it's really pretty. Then I have the Too Faced Melted Matte Long Liquefied Long Wearing Lipstick from Too Faced. And this, I must have variation 2. And this color looks awesome. And look at that red. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Swatch time. Look at that. That is pure red, and I love it. Love it. I don't need the box. That is beautiful. That'll be great for the fall. Shoot, it'd be great with this shirt with another look. Oh, some random glitter fell. Glitter falls all around me. And this is the graphic ink liner from Clarins. It's a liquid eyeliner. It's $30. Oh, the Melted Matte Liquefied Long Wearing Lipstick is $21. And this just has a nice little brush. I'm not gonna swipe into it. Clarins is a very nice brand, very high-end brand. I've seen a lot of their stuff lately in boxes, so maybe they're trying to get out there and be more popular. Let's clean this off. Who knows what's coming up? Well, it's on a list here, but it's $103, $103.49 value, taxes not included. Next up, we have a Too Faced. No, this is another Tarte thing. Oh, it's not on here. I've got my glasses handy. And it says Tarte, the Lip Art Architect Lipstick and Liner. Awesome. It's not on there. Oh, I think it's substituted. Yeah, it's substituted. Oh, this is from another column. This is $24. So it looks like I've got a variation of 2 boxes, and this is a really pretty color. And I am collecting lip pencils, and I'm starting to get into pencils and gloss. Wow, it's double-ended. There it is right there. It's a real soft pink. Let me turn it back in. So that's the liner, and then this is the lipstick. Very pretty. I think I like that. I will keep it. So this is a $24 value. So actually my box is worth more than, I don't know, it's good. The other box is $102.99 in the other variation, and this one is $103. So, and this is from CoverGirl, the Farewell Feathering. And that is not on, it's not on either of the things. But this is just Farewell Feathering. It's made in Germany. Lip liner and crayon. And this is in clear, so you can put this on as like a base. Is it too annoying, the reflection of my glasses? Let me know. But that's cool. And then we have a palette. When I got to choose which palette I wanted. And it's from Milani, and I like Milani. And this is a, I don't know how much that CoverGirl lip thing is, but I was supposed to get something else. But I'm happy with what I'm getting here. And this is a really pretty, I'm not going to get into this palette because I think I'm probably putting it in a giveaway, but it is gorgeous. It is a $10.99 palette. And so this box is worth over $100, and for $34.99, pretty good. And I think this is a pretty new box. And if you want to check them out, you can check them out at chicbeauty.box. But so great, we got this double-ended Tarte lip liner and pen and lipstick. We got a featherproof CoverGirl primer for eyeliner. We got, oh, you already have that. The Too Faced matte melted lip, and we've got the eyeliner, the black eyeliner. And so this is great for the first box I've got from them, and I got to choose pretty much everything, and I'm very happy with it. So thumbs up for the Chic Beauty box. I'm gonna give it a few 2-3 times to see what I think about it, but I think it's pretty good. Like good names, high-end stuff, very cool. So I thank you so much for watching and being subscribed and leaving comments. I hope you have a great day or the day of your choice. We'll see you soon.